If you try to send a message on Messenger and the message just is stuck on sending, then in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Now, the most common solution is to disable your chat heads, which is very simple. You can disable chat heads by selecting your chats that you want to send the message. So let's say you want to send the message here and it just stuck on sending. Select on this question mark here, which will look like an alert icon. So select on it. And you can see, select on the three dots here, which is found on the top right corner. You can see here, open chat heads. Now, I have already enabled chat heads. That's why I face this issue. To disable the chat heads, you can just select, if on Android, open your settings, which is a gear icon. Now select here on apps. Then look for the messenger. You can just search it from here. So I'll search for messenger. Open the messenger application. Now you can see here on the option which say appear on top. Now make sure to turn it off. So make sure to don't allow this permission. So if you turn it off, this is how you turn off chat heads. This is how to disable chat heads, and the issue should just be resolved. Now to enable it, select here on the three dots here on your chat, select open chat heads, and you can go to settings to allow chat heads. Now, if you've done so, but are still facing again the same issue, also make sure internet connection is working fine. If you do have internet connection, maybe it is stuck, as you can see here, it's say sending, but it's not sent. Then you can try to turn airplane mode on, and then you can try to turn it off. Connect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. So I'm using Wi-Fi. So try to connect to your Wi-Fi and try to resend the message. If you're connected to any VPN, make sure to disable such VPN. Now, if you've done so but are still facing again the same issue, you can just go to your settings again. Now select apps, search for the messenger application, open the messenger application. Now go here to storage and make sure to clear your app cache. So make sure to clear your app cache and try to check if your problem has been resolved. If you're still facing again the same issue, make sure you update your application to the latest version. So you can search here for Messenger. You're going to go to the Play Store or App Store if you're using iPhone, and make sure the Messenger application has been updated to the latest version. So this is the best guide on how to fix your messages stuck on sending, on trying to send a message on Messenger. Make sure to follow these instructions very carefully and let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you.